We are pleased to show you the 2015 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.